Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices for the 15th of July, and there's no change in our count for this market. We've been looking at this as wave 3 here, an A and a B and a C and a triangle for wave 4 here, and then 1 and 2 and 3 here, and 4 and 5. We could probably lift the wave 3 a little higher here in this case, so because we'd be looking here at a 5-wave sequence here, so we can look at, do I have any, no, so we can look at this as wave 1 here and 2 here, and we'll look at wave 3, 4, it will get a bit skewed on this level here, and then wave 5 here, and an A and a B and a C for wave 4 that will probably come back and sit. We don't want overlapping wave structures here, so we'll sit that just here for that. I mean, it will get a bit skewed coming across here, so we just need to be a little bit mindful of that. And then wave 5 to the upside here for that of wave 1, and then so we'll just track that. Then we'll have some sort of ABC here for wave 2, obviously finding support amongst all of this, and then a push higher for there. So in terms of our trade, we're still in the market. We didn't get stopped out, we came close, so we had the stop just under here, so I've moved the stop up over here for this. So we'll just continue with this here, so from wave 4, 1 and 2 here, and 1 and 2 and 3 here, and 4 and 5 here for this, for wave 3, back for wave 4. We'll keep wave 4 just on the 13 there, but we'll need to adjust all of this, and then wave 5 here for this. So wave 5 shouldn't be too long here, because we'll just see how wave 3 pans out here, and then wave 1 here, and wave 5 will be roughly the same in size, so we'll see where that flies at that point, and then move down. So yeah, I think in terms of trading, we will go to this wave 3 up here for this. We'll accommodate this wave 4, and we'll look to buy on the pullback here. You can take some money off the table here and add it back in here, or add even more, do whatever you need to do, but this wave 3 up here is the one that we really want to focus on here, especially if folks are trading CFDs, because they'll be trading paying overnight financing. We don't want to sit in a wave 4 of this degree, which should be really quite simple, because this one here was complex. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, you take part profit up here if you get a bit wobbly on it, but otherwise we'll just hold on for this. And the FTSE is starting to wake up as well. So last time we spoke, we were looking at this here in terms of an A, B, C, D, and E here. I don't particularly like this count that much, but we can run with it. And in this case here, we're just going long above the 6.2 there, so maybe you're long already with this, hopefully. So we'll just remove all of this, and we should be moving up higher from this point. So I mean, going long above that high here is suffice, but we'll just put that there. And we should see, this is obviously different from the DAX. In this case, we've got 1 and 2 here. So we should see the third wave come up here. I'll just be very conservative about this, but I mean, technically we should be taking out this top here. So that's where we're looking to go at that point. So we'll just see how that goes. I mean, sometimes these markets can catch up a little bit, so can this get any more complicated? Let me think about this. Yes, it can. I'll just leave it because I'm putting my trust in the DAX, so we'll go with the DAX and this market following the DAX higher. So I'll just leave it at that. Alrighty. Yeah, and technically we should be taking out this top here. So 6,500 is the target for this level here for this. So we'll put that in. But we'll monitor that on the way up, so no drama. I mean, what concerns me, if I just express myself, is that the market failing from the 6,300 here and having this up, because we've had a series of 3 waves through here, also an A and a B and a C with equality with this leg here to this leg here. The other thing here, though, is that if you don't mind me rabbiting on a bit, this arrival reaction, first high above the level and some sort of ABC pattern here and then up again from there. So it will also give us an opportunity to go long on here. So if you wanted to get out here and get back in over here, then that's a logical thing to do there as well. And of course you can get a better entry than that. You can just come across this way here, but still you really want that 6,300, the top of group 1 as the support there for that. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.